Hi guys, this is Anne. Today we are making a vegan cream frosting. So we have cashews, 100 grams soaked. Then we have coconut sugar. Then you have water. That's 100 grams of water. Then we have coconut oil, lemon, and half a vanilla pod. So make sure you drain the water from the cashews, and we'll put all these ingredients into the blender. So I've drained the water from the cashews. You soak for like an hour or so until they're nice and soft. So we'll put the cashews in the blender, and together with the coconut sugar, the oils, and the water. And then we're also going to put the lemon. We're just going to put, we'll put the vanilla pod, just half of it. You just chop it. And then we're going to put obviously the water. It had a little bit of the coconut oil transferred, so I said it doesn't really matter. So we are also going to put the lemon juice, or this is lime juice, just a tablespoon of lime juice. There you go. So we're just going to blend that up, all of it into the blender. And I guess that's it. It's one of the easiest vegan cream frosting ever. So we'll put this in the container and put it in either in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, or we'll put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours, so it can firm up and you can be able to use it as a frosting. So let's see what you can do with it. So I'll just pour as you can see, it's very liquidy here. So when you put it in the fridge and it firms out a little, you can even put it in a piping bag like this. So I put it in the freezer. This is my first time using a piping bag, so I'm very proud of myself, though it doesn't look like I've done a very good job, but I think it has come out quite nice. So this is what you can do with it when you put it in the freezer and let it just firm up for 1 or 2 hours. Sometimes you may, when it's on the piping bag, you may let it just do its thing a little bit, as in you touch it with your hand, so it can soften slightly, so it can pass through the piping bag. Okay, there I just said it looks a little too white, so put some color into it. If you have candied nuts, you can put that on top, and that will look beautiful. So yeah, that's what I did with that. It's just a raw vanilla cake that I made here. So I just want to show you the frosting. It's done, and yeah, that is how I did it. So I decided to cut them in half so that they can sit well on the decorations, and yeah, so that you know it's a vanilla cake that has almonds in it. So that's how it is. So now I opened it up, so you can see when you put the decoration, you put it back in the freezer, so it firms up even more. Then that is got confused in where the camera is apparently, so there you go. And I think I will cut a slice so that you can see the inside and how the frosting looks inside the cake, because I put 2 layers, and obviously the one on top and slightly on the side. So this is how it's gonna be. So you take a knife, you just, when you move it from the freezer, you have to make sure that you let it thaw slightly, like 10 minutes or so, like that. So I just want to show you how it looks when this one I just removed it, just stayed for like 5 minutes, so it's not hard to slice through. It's nice and delicious. So yep, that is it. That is my cake, guys. If you'll enjoy this video, give it a like, subscribe for more recipe if you haven't, and we will see you in the next video. That is my vanilla cake, my raw vanilla cake. That's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye. Nice cake.